Good afternoon, YouTube people. Welcome back to my channel and to my first vlog of the week and quite possibly my last vlog of the week. I just came on here to let you all know that I am, in fact, moving from Prosperous. I will no longer be, in a few weeks, a Kildare woman. As soon as my purchase goes through, I will be living in Westmeath. I have bought myself a nice one-bed apartment, first floor apartment, in a sheltered sort of apartment block. There's a gate, you have to have a code to go in, for it to open, for you to drive in, and same at the front door before you can go up in the lift to your apartment. I am so glad, given the state of my arthritis, that there is a lift in this apartment. Not that stairs just would not be my thing. But I am very happy with my purchase, and it's just now a matter of completion and moving. So at the moment I am like a headless chicken, packing, cleaning, boxing stuff up. I'm leaving a minimal amount of stuff out until the move, so that actual moving and packing becomes easier towards the end. I've had to literally, with help from family and friends, go through the entire house, and I have had help. Have to say, I have had help. My sister-in-law has been down for a couple of days, and she is absolute demon workhorse. She's great, absolutely brilliant, and she's ruthless when it comes. No, if you don't need that, dump it. If you haven't worn it in 6 months, dump it. And I love her attitude, because I'm a bit of a hoarder, and someone who is that focused is the right woman to sort me out, so I'm not bringing a load of shit with me to my new apartment. Now, I will, when I get there, I will film you all the before. I will be making some changes, some improvements, and I might document some of that, or I might wait until I have it all done and then shock the shit out of all of YouTube with what it looks like at the end. So I just thought I would impart that bit of good news on you all. The good thing about moving into my new apartment is that I won't have a mortgage to worry about, which is a great relief. Anyway, that's it for now, lads. I've nothing else to report. There won't be too much makeup sort of videos going up, simply because I have left absolutely FA out. If anybody wants to see what what's in my makeup bag while I am between houses and the makeup routine being used therein, please hit me up in the comments and I'll post a video about the minimal amount of makeup you need between when you are selling and when you are purchasing, and when you've packed up all your shit and what I've left out and blah 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 and all that stuff. So anyway, lads, that's all I popped on to say, was to tell you all that I am in fact changing county, changing town, making a new start, making a big change, and hopefully it works out to be a good big change. So I'll keep you all updated. Take care, God bless, and have a lovely day, and nice to see you